so much easier.
Hopefully this will help us out a little bit. I wanted to say Alright, let's shit up. No. Hi guys, Molly here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest. This is my sister, Emily. Say hi.
Hi.
You've seen her on my vlog. She's 2 years younger than me and
5 inches taller.
And a foot taller. Today we're going to be doing a very fun challenge we have planned. We are doing the no mirror makeup challenge. I'm very nervous. I thought it'd be fun until I sat in this chair and I can see you right now, but we're gonna flip the camera down and we have no mirrors in front of us. Anyways, what we're gonna do is we are actually gonna attempt the same makeup look. We have the Jaclyn Hill palette here. I figured this would give us the most payoff for color-wise, and we will need nothing else, no other palette. So we're gonna use this and we're gonna do a more golden eye shade and then focus on darker colors in the outer crease. So kind of like a golden smoky eye. And we decided for this challenge, but we're gonna challenge ourselves with eyeliner and lashes as well.
So unfair.
We also have Miss Verbitz here, the other Emily, to help make sure we're in focus behind the camera because we obviously won't be able to see ourselves. So if you'd like to see us up our face, then just keep watching. All right, let's get started. Down, flips. Ah, it's down! Shoot! It got real!
Get started, bitches.
Okay, I'm totally thrown off. Like, where do I even start?
I know.
Oh, I start with my brows.
Oh god.
My fault. I'm doing like the lightest possible
Foundation.
I'm method right now. Don't eat the face! If any of my brides are watching this, I could lose business right now.
What are your strategies? My strategy is start out with foundation, and eyeshadow, and concealer.
I think I got concealer in my eyelashes. I can't open my eyes.
Alright, and now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow.
Blend.
This is even.
Blend. Blend. Wait, let me see.
No, you can't look yet.
How come you put that all over?
I'm not done yet. Emily is making me cringe. This is literally making me cringe.
I'm going in. Is this showing up?
I'm not telling you. Molly, you can.
She's already cheating.
Are you kidding me?
Why? Am I doing good? Am I doing good? I'm doing good. It's weird. I thought I knew my face well, but
I obviously know it really well.
Are you going super smoky?
Look at me. I think.
I feel like I have to look at you to do
You better not be looking in the reflection.
I know this is a lot. Oh my god. Feels like a lot.
It's not enough. You should put more on.
Shut up. We're already on contour? Did you set your face?
No.
I just went backward. I thought I could see it. I'm doing it. I don't care. I have to have concealer.
What's your favorite memory together?
He's really good. I think when we were in Europe, I think
I was gonna say Europe.
and we were saying
Boobies.
and we were,
But if all you guys don't know, I hate the word. The way she says it, like, I cannot stand.
I mean, it's like, this sounds so dumb, but we literally always have such a good time, but don't flatter you yourself. I think like my senior year when we were like
When I
party with my friends. Yeah, we had
She was
so
partying with the upperclassmen.
we had so much fun. And
Yeah, that was fun.
that was fun.
It's so behind. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I have to put it on. Does it look good?
Are you gonna do a wing? No.
What? No, that's good actually.
So Emily, how would you feel with a brother in your life one day? As if Tyler is not already your brother.
To be honest, it's so weird because literally half of my life he's been my brother, so I wouldn't really like.
How old were you when they started dating?
I think I was 14. I
started dating when
I think I was 13 years old. I was in 8th grade. Lashes? Oh my god. I could do pretty good. Oh heck yeah. I think I'm good. I think I'm spot on. I feel really confident about this, honestly. Oh no, what did I do?
You're doing good.
Do I look pretty? Mommy, yeah! I want to be like Kylie and like overline my lips, so too much. I don't want to look like a drag queen, but like I am too. I think I need like a little here. I think I look good. Ooh.
And Molly, do you think you could be on America's Next Top Model right now?
Am I not Tyra Banks right now? No. Am I done? Am I done? Do I look Vogue? Do I look Vogue? Are we ready? Wait, I just want to put a little bit more. I don't feel like I have enough. Okay. This is the final look!
2, 3, look.
Wow! Besides a little Kool-Aid stain over here. My lips. I thought it was Kylie.
You look like flounder.
Miranda scene.
My lashes just aren't glued on in the middle, or yeah.
Overall, we did a great job, and thanks to Molly competing with me because she's a makeup artist, and somehow that is fair. I don't know what happened, but these are hurting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let us know below who you think did a better job.
I look like a fucking clown.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe! I will see you in our next video. Bye!
Slipped a little. I slipped a lot.
Do we look good?
Stop bumping me!
Is this a Makeup by Molly look? I'm just like living my best life right now. This is 100% not fair at all. Yeah. Wow.